Get ready to soar through a gallery of living art as we count down the most breathtaking birds on the planet. From neon crowns to iridescent tails, these avian wonders prove that nature is the ultimate designer. Join the flock, subscribe, and support the channel. Wilson's Bird of Paradise. This tiny dancer features a vibrant turquoise cap of bare skin and two elegant wire-like tail curls. Its brilliant red mantle and golden neck patch make it a standout in the Indonesian rainforest. Blue jay. Known for their striking crest and bold blue patterns, these birds are the royalty of North American backyards. Their complex white and black markings create a sophisticated, tailored look. Green-crested turaco. This African beauty is one of the few birds with true green pigment in its feathers. Its tall, expressive crest and bright red beak give it a regal, exotic appearance. Spatula-tailed hummingbird. This rare Peruvian gem has only 4 tail feathers, 2 of which end in large, violet-blue spatulas. Males use these extraordinary feathers in high-speed, rhythmic courtship dances. Northern cardinal. With its fiery red plumage and sharp black mask, the male cardinal is a stunning sight against a winter landscape. Their powerful crest and stout bill add to their iconic, noble silhouette. Long-tailed tit, often described as a flying cotton ball. This tiny bird is prized for its round body and exceptionally long tail. Its soft pink, white, and black palette makes it one of the cutest species in the wild. European bee eater. A rainbow in flight. This bird boasts a yellow throat, blue belly, and rich chestnut back. They are as agile as they are colorful, catching insects mid-air with incredible precision. Mandarin duck. Considered a symbol of love and beauty, the male features a dazzling mix of orange, sails, a purple breast, and a multicolored crest. It is widely regarded as the most beautiful waterfowl in existence. Fiery-throated hummingbird. Found in the highlands of Costa Rica, this bird's throat glitters like a molten jewel in the sun. Its plumage shifts through every color of the spectrum, depending on how the light hits it. Victoria crowned pigeon. The largest pigeon in the world wears a spectacular lace-like blue crest that looks like a royal crown. Its deep maroon chest and elegant blue-gray feathers make it a true forest aristocrat. Which bird is your favorite? Let me know in the comments.